Hi guys, welcome to Sam Class. So today we'll be working on Hello World uh, on our tax. That's 0x02 shell input output redirections and filters. So we'll work on Hello World. So the first thing we do is to go into our repository. So we see our repository. So I'm going to check what is inside. So we can see that everything there is okay. Okay, so you can see that these are the previous list that we have. So we have to create our new directory. So I'm copying that. So I'm going to make directory. So I've created a new directory. So I'm going to enter into that directory now. So inside the directory. So this is a pure and empty directory. So there are many ways we can write into our file. You can use VI, you can use Vim, you can use any anyone you feel like. I've been using VI, but this time around, let me just create the file we are supposed to create. This hello world that we are going to write inside. So I'll use touch hello world. So we've created that. So we are told to make it okay. We can check. You can see the hello world has been created. Let me expand. Okay, hello world has been created. So uh, we have to make it executable. So we use the so the hello world now is now executable just like this. So for us to just confirm just ls and check, so you can see that the hello world has changed and it is now executable. Okay, so we want to write into hello world. So let me still use my AI as well just to make it easy. I can use uh different commands to write inside as well. But I think this is a little easier to avoid mistakes. So you can see, so I use my eye, that's to insert or to write inside. So the instruction says every first line, that is, it should be 2 lines, exactly 2 lines, and every first line should be this. So I'm copying this and I'm pasting there. So our second line now will now be our task. So that write a script that prints hello world into this file. So the command is echo and hello world that prints this. Inserting, closing it. All right. So press my escape key to exit the editor, and I'm using my colon W key to exit as well. All right. So we are here. You can now commit. You can add rather. So I'm going to be adding it, add space, full stop. So I'm going to be committing as well. Let's commit my name. So you put anything. I'm still putting my um, hello world. There's my commit message. But let me just make the world, the W small letter. Okay. So committing. So you can see this. Then I'm going to be pushing. to my origin or to the cloud. So my file and my work has been pushed. So I will check my code now and see if it's correct. So you can see it is not correct. So the reason it's not correct is that when you are working on this, you need to pay attention to detail so you won't miss anything. Okay, so we are told to provide a README. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, a README file at the root of each folder. So I'll be creating a README file now. So, and if you check as well, ls, you see it is just the hello world folder that is file that is there. There is no README. So let me clear so we can see very well. Okay, so I'll be creating the README file. Search readme.md. So now we've created the README file and we need to write into our README. All right, so we just need to check what we have there in the README and our file. So let me just say cat readme.md. Oh, I guess our README is empty. So let me just write something in our README. So echo. So I'm going to be copying the this pasting in the README chat. So I'll be removing the extra stuff there. Instruction says we should not use special characters. All right, so I'll be removing this as well. Oh, sorry. All right, so into our file, readme.md. So enter. So if you do that, cat readme again. Uh, so you can see this is what is inside. So now we can commit just for it to be sure. Let's see what's inside our folder, our directory, so you can see everything is fine. You can also cut hello world to check what is inside. The then I'm pasting. So it's going to display. Okay, so this is what we have there. So we can add, then we commit. So I would like to use the name of each as my commit. So I can use hello world as, so I'm using hello world. You can use whatever you feel like, but I'm using this. Oh, sorry. If you look at my commits, I missed something. Okay, so um, okay, so it's committed. Then I push. Okay, so that is all. You can go and check your code and everything will be fine. All right, so you can see we are good now. So make sure you like, you subscribe, and click on the notification bell. See you in next class. Thank you.